Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 11 of my 13 days of Halloween crafting series here on my channel. Sorry I have been MIA for a few days, but getting back on track now with day 11. So for today's video, I'm just going to make a quick easy card, and I wanted to use these pretty papers that I shared with you guys, and I downloaded this digital collection, but I talked to y'all about that in a previous video. So I wanted to make a card for a lady that I work with who is very nice, and I'm gonna be giving her a little trick-or-treat bag, and I wanted to include a card, so I just decided I'm going to go ahead and film it. Just a really fast and easy card, super simple. I've already cut down my card base, so I used some heavyweight black cardstock, and I cut it down to 5.5 by 5.5, so a square card, and I want it to be top folding so that it will stand up on her desk. So from the collection, I love this plaid looking design here with the purples and the oranges. So I am just going to start by layering this piece, and I just left 1/8 of an inch border so that the black card underneath would peek through. So I am just going to mat this right down, and I know it's kind of tough to see because it's black on black with my crafting mat here. So that's what we have. And so then I wanted to take another panel that I cut down 4.5 by 4.5, a square panel, and I like this black and white piece. I thought it would go well over the color, so I am just going to mat this right on top, and then I'm just gonna use my dimensional foam squares to pop it up for a little bit of dimension. So this will go right on top of here like that. Okay, so this is what we have, and I have my little foam that I get from Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna put enough of these foam squares to where my panel won't sag. Just like that. Peel off the backing. I don't know if I mentioned to y'all, but I just bought a little mini sewing machine from Hobby Lobby recently because I want to learn how to sew, and I also wanted it because I want to start adding some stitching to some of my crafts and my paper crafts. And the little miniature sewing machine that I got, it just was not acting right. But I have used this newer sewing machine that I got, and I can say I really like it. So far I haven't had any problems, so I'm definitely going to be trying to teach myself how to sew. Anyway, this is what we have. Really cute, really dimensional, so it'll sit on her desk like this. So I do have some of the cut aparts here from the collection. I'm probably going to use this Happy Halloween. So I'm just kind of playing around, seeing what I want to, seeing how I want to Now this would be cute on top of there. Even October 31st. I don't know, let me see. Let me just get my paper trimmer. I'm gonna trim this up a little bit. I need my small one. It's not here around my desk. So I'm just gonna use this bigger one. And I'm just trimming some of the edges off of here. If I can get it straight. This is why I need my smaller one. Okay, I think I got it. Alrighty. So I think I might go ahead and adhere this right across the front of my panel. Like that. And I'll probably add a couple of little foam pieces up under here so that it will be level. But I'm liking that. And I have these little pumpkins here that I think I want to add as well. So I think I'm going to put this little pumpkin directly on my card. And I might go ahead and pop the other little pumpkin up. Yeah, I think I will. I'm just adding foam squares to this one. And I'm just going to kind of layer him right over the first one, so like that. Alrighty, and this looks really good like this. I don't know, I made these little ribbon bows, and I don't know, I think that bow would look cute if it was a little smaller. I'm going to step away from the desk and I am going to either grab some bling pieces or some Nouveau drops or something to finish off this card. So let's see, which one is this? This is the glitter drops in pink champagne, and then I have, maybe I'll add a little bit of all of them. I'm just gonna grab a piece of scrap paper to test my Nouveau drops out. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna add one right here. Let me see, do I need to bring y'all in a little bit? And I just kind of make a little circle there with that. I don't know if I should make them all the same color. I don't have like a purple, but I think this will go. These are more like pastel-y. This will go. Yeah. Alrighty. Then I'm just going to tap my card down, and it'll kind of flatten. Won't flatten it, but it'll make it more like a little enamel dot. All right, so this is the card. Just really quick, clean, simple, and it's so cute. I'm just gonna add on the inside, I gotta let those dry, but I'm gonna add a white panel and write a message to her. And then I'll give this to her with her treat bag. So anyway, that is it, and I still have lots of this paper left that I have downloaded. I will be putting this away in my Halloween digital paper envelope that I have, and I will be breaking it out next season, because after this video, you guys, I'm going to post day 13. Wait, let's see. Are we on 11 or 12? I think this is day 12 right here. Y'all see, I've gotten all off track. Anywho, this is day 12, guys. For day 13, which is our last day of my Halloween crafting series, I will be just basically talking with you guys, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this week. And I'm only going to allow the giveaway entries if anybody is interested in entering. I'm only going to allow it for about 3 days, so that whoever gets the gift, I can try to get it out by the 31st. I can try to get it to them by the 31st. I know I'm kind of behind with this, but that's going to be day 13. So stay tuned for that video, which I will be posting soon after this one. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I know it was really clean and simple. Anybody could do this, but this is a great way to just use paper and your die cut cutouts with your paper collections to make a really cute fun card. So anyway, thank you again for watching. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs it up. If you're not subscribed and you would like to, click that link below to subscribe, and look out for day 13 of my Halloween craft series, which will be closing it out, because I'm really eager to get along with my Christmas crafting, so that you guys can see some different things. And so anyway, yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.